Hello students, today topic is Köppen classification. Köppen climatic classification. This classification made by Köppen. This classification made by Köppen in 1884. After that revised 1918, 1936 and latest revised by Gigerpal in 1953. First 1884. The second time is 1918. Third time is 1936. Fourth time latest by Gigerpal 1953. This classification made by mean annual temperature and mean annual precipitation. These are the basic phenomena, basic parameters. Mean annual temperature, mean annual precipitation and some variations in climatic conditions. Some variation in climatic conditions. Professor Köppen took 3 letters orders. One is primary order letters or first order letters, second order letters, third order letters. Primary order letters, secondary order letters, tertiary order letters. First order letters given by Köppen: capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital G and capital H. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E and capital H. Capital A, these 6 letters based on mean annual temperature from equatorial region towards poles region. Generally, from the equator towards poles region, the temperature decreases because the temperature is more in equatorial region because sun rays fall vertically, while in the poles region the temperature decreases because the sun rays fall horizontal direction. That's why more temperature equatorial region. First one is tropical climate. A. Tropical climate. A. The second one is B. Dry climate. Capital B. Capital C. Mesothermal climate. Capital D. Microthermal climate. Capital E. Polar climate. And capital H. Islands are nothing but mountain areas covered with snow throughout the year. These are the first order letters: capital A, B, C, D, E and H. Tropical climate, dry climate, mesothermal climate, microthermal climate, polar climate, island climate. These are the five major divisions based on mean annual temperature. The second order letters, one is small f. Small f is nothing but the rain occur throughout the year, no dry season. It's the symbol of small f. Small f applies to A, C and D climates. Small f applies to capital A, capital C, capital D climates. It applies to capital A, capital C and capital D. The second one is small f. Small f is nothing but monsoonal climate. It applies to only capital A climate. And small s. Small s is nothing but dry season in the summer. Small f. Small f is nothing but dry season in the winter. Small s is nothing but dry season in the summer. Small w sorry, small s is nothing but dry season in the summer. Small w is nothing but dry season in the winter. One is small f, small s, small w. Big S. Big S is nothing but steppe climate. And big W, desert climate. Big S is nothing but steppe climate. Big W is nothing but desert climate. These two letters applies to capital B climatic zone. Capital B climate. Capital F, capital F, capital T. These two letters apply to polar climate. That means E climate. Capital T is nothing but no true summer. It applies to polar climate is nothing but tundra region. Capital F is nothing but perennial ice. Perennial ice is nothing but throughout the year ice. It applies to polar ice cap climatic zone. These are the 8 letters: small f, small m, small s, small w, big S, big W, big F, big T. These are the second order letters. Second order letters. In monsoonal climate, the rainfall is 1500 millimeters. Mean annual precipitation is 1500 millimeters. In steppe region, mean precipitation is 380 millimeters to 760 millimeters. Steppe, that means big S letter. And desert region, big W. The rainfall is more than 250 millimeters. These are the symbols. Second order symbols are, one is small f, the second one is small m, small s, small w, big S, big W, big F, big T. These are 8 letters. The tertiary order, the third order letters are small a, small b, small c, small d. Small a is nothing but hot summer. Small a is nothing but hot summer. Small b is nothing but moderate summer. Small c is nothing but cool short summer. Small d is nothing but very cold winters. Very cold winters. These four small a, small b, small c, small d letters apply to C, capital D climates. Capital C, capital D climates are nothing but mesothermal climate, microthermal climate, and small h. Small h is nothing but dry hot season. Dry hot season. And small k is nothing but dry cold season. Small a is nothing but hot summer. The temperature is more than 22 degrees Celsius. Small b is nothing but moderate summer. The temperature is less than 22 degrees Celsius. Small c is nothing but warm summer. Small c is nothing but cool and short summer. Small c is nothing but cool and hot summer. The temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. Small d is nothing but very cold winters. The temperature is minus 38 degrees Celsius. These small a, small b, small c, small d. These four letters apply to capital C climate, capital D climate is nothing but mesothermal climate and microthermal climate. Small h is nothing but dry hot season. The temperature is more than 18 degrees Celsius. And small k is nothing but the temperature is less than 18 degrees Celsius. Small h, small k. These two letters apply to B climate. B climate is nothing but dry climate. These are the first order letters, second order letters, tertiary order letters, primary order letters, secondary order letters, tertiary order letters. First order letters are 6, second order letters are 8, tertiary order letters are 6. Total 20 letters you must and should remember. First, next we are going to tropical climate. A, capital A, tropical climate. Again it is classified into 3 subgroups. One is tropical wet climate. Tropical wet climate is nothing but symbol is given AF. AF is nothing but tropical climate. F is nothing but tropical wet climate. Tropical wet climate, small f. The second one is AM, monsoonal climate. AF is nothing but throughout the year the rainfall occur, no dry season. F is nothing but, small f is nothing but no dry season. Big F is nothing but throughout the ice. Throughout ice, perennial ice is available. Small f applies to monsoonal. And W, small w, AW, savanna type of climate. So, tropical climate. Capital A is classified into 3 subdivisions, subgroups. One is AF, the second one is AM, third one is AW. The second one is second major B climate. B climate is classified into 4 subgroups. One is subtropical steppe climate. Subtropical steppe climate symbol is BSH. Subtropical desert climate. Subtropical desert climate BWH. BSH, BWH. Mid latitude steppe climate. Mid latitude steppe climate BSK. And mid latitude desert climate BWK. So dry climates is nothing but big letter B, classified into 4 groups. One is BSH, BSH, BWH, BSK, BWK. Third one is C capital letter. Microthermal. It is classified into 3 divisions. One is humid subtropical, CFA. Humid subtropical, CFA. Mediterranean, CS. Marine coast, CFB. CFA subtropical. Humid subtropical, CFA. Mediterranean climate, CS, and marine west coast climate, CFB. Mesothermal, classified into 3 divisions. And D microthermal climate. It divides into 2 subgroups. One is humid continental climate. DW. The second one is subarctic climate. Humid continental climate, DF. Humid continental climate, D small f. Subarctic climate, D small w. Microthermal divided into 2 major subgroups. One is humid continental climate, D small f, D small w. Polar climate, D E polar climate, which divides into 2 subgroups. One is taiga climate, ET. T is nothing but no true summer. EF is nothing but polar ice cap. EF is nothing but capital E, capital E, capital F. Capital F is nothing but perennial ice. And sixth major one is capital H. Capital H is nothing but island climate. Island climate is known throughout perennial ice formation, mountains, Himalayan mountains, Alps mountains, Andes mountains, etc. All mountains throughout year ice occur. Is called highland climate. It is a explanation about Köppen classification. First order letters, second order letters, tertiary order letters. First division 1884, second modification 1918, third 1936, latest 1953. This is a Köppen climatic classification. Primary letter orders, secondary letter orders, and tertiary letter orders. Thank you, students. I hope could you understand what I have taught so far.